everyone. 3 cards are dealt from a well-shuffled standard deck without replacement. We're going to complete these calculations of, we actually have 6 things we have to do. So these are the first 3. The first one is complete this. So basically, they just want you to know how to do this. So for A, we're just doing 13 divided by 52 times 12 divided by 51. What's the pattern? This would be 11 divided by 50. And you can use a calculator or just do that. That's going to be 11 divided by, let's see, 850. So that would be the probability of 3 clubs, because there's 13 total clubs here. Remember, there's 13 in each suit, total of 52 cards. So if you're not replacing it, you have to keep going down 1 because you're not replacing it. Okay, so that's A. B, probability that all are red. So probability 3 are red. So that's going to equal half the cards are red. So that's basically 26 out of 52. Then you don't replace it, so then you're going to have 25 divided by 51 times 24 divided by 50. And that's all going to reduce down to 2 divided by 17. Okay, the next one, find the probability that 3 cards are aces. So 3 aces. How many aces do we have? We have 4 aces. So that's going to be 4 out of 52. And we're drawing 3. So 3 divided by 51 times 2 divided by 50. And that's going to equal 1 divided by 5,525. Now, remember this number because the next problem is find the probability that none of the cards are an ace. So for this one, all we have to do for D is we know the probability of 3 aces was 1 divided by, well, we can do it a different way. 5,520. I'll do both ways. All right. So no aces. So if there's 4 aces, then no aces would be would be 48 out of 52, because remember there's 4. 47 divided by 51 times 46 divided by 50. And that gives you 4,324 divided by 5,025. All right. Find the probability that at least one of the cards is the ace. So at least one is going to be probability of at least one ace equals 1 minus the probability of no ace. So that's just going to be 1 minus 4,324 divided by 5,525. And that's going to be 1,201 divided by 5,525. Usually what I do with the ones here, I just write on top of them. That would be 5,525 divided by 5,525, because that equals 1. And then if you're not using a calculator, you can do it that way. And then we have one more problem. Find the probability that either 1 or 2 of the cards is an ace. So basically, you're doing probability of 1 or 2 aces. So what we can do is do it this way. 1 minus the probability of 3 aces. Oops. plus the probability of no ace. Because we already did these two. So 3 ace, we just want 1 or 2. We already have 3 or no. So we could have 0, 1, 2, or 3. We already know 3 and 0. So we need 1 and 2. So we're just going to do 1 minus 1 divided by 5,525 plus 4,324 divided by 5,525. And that's going to equal 48 divided by 221 when you reduce it. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.